Hi, this is Novi Area Tutoring here, and I'd like to give you a good tip for the digital SAT math. Um, we're dealing with lesson one, factoring quadratic and polynomial expressions advanced. And what we have is we have a quadratic, and then we have four choices, and it looks like a standard factored form. So I think the way you want to approach this problem, instead of trying to factor the original and seeing which one it comes out to be, or taking the answers and multiplying them out and see which one's equivalent. It's easier just to plug in x values, simple x values, and either eliminate answer choices, or you might get lucky the first time you enter in a value and you will eliminate it down to the correct answer. So if we plug in the same x value into the original and the answer choices, we should yield the same values. So for example, if we start with x equals 0, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take x equals 0, and I'm going to plug it into this quadratic, and you can see that the answer comes out to be 3. Okay, well, if I plug in 0 in for x to all these choices, I'm going to get 2 times 1 squared plus 1, and that equals 3, which is great. Okay, now the thing we have to look out for is that there might be another answer that equals 3, and we might have to try another number too, just to eliminate a second choice with it. Okay, so let's plug it into B just to check the other ones. And we would get 1 squared plus 3, which equals 5. We do it for this one, and we're going to get 2 plus 5 is 7. And we do it for the bottom one, and we would get plus 0 plus 1, 4 times 0, 0. So we would also get 3 here. Okay, so I know that B and C are automatically eliminated. Okay, so the next thing I would do is I would plug in another number, an easy number to work with. So again, let's try x equal 1. So if I plug in x equal to 1 into this equation, I'm going to get 9 as my answer. So 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 9. Okay. Now I only have A and D left to check. All right, so we plug in 1. Now we would get 2 times 2 squared plus 1, which would be 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So it looks like 9A is going to be the correct answer. But let's just double check with choice D. So we plug in 1 into this, and we would get into the bottom ones, we would get 2 times 2 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 1, and that would give us 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is definitely not equal to 9. So that answer's out. So in this case here, the correct answer is going to be A. Okay, thanks for watching. If you could please like and subscribe, that would be awesome. Take care. Bye.